Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription to Audible or how to cancel your free trial on Audible. So, as you can see, I'm on a PC right now and I'm using the web page of the audible.com, and I'm going to use the audible.co.uk because I'm currently in Poland and I won't be able to show you how you can do this on audible.com, but it is going to look the same, like really much the same. So it doesn't matter if you're in the UK or in the USA, it's going to take the same steps. So if you're in the USA, you want to go to audible.com. If you're from Europe or you're just using Audible from UK, you're going to use this site. So audible.co.uk. You want to go to this site, and as you can see, here is the light one, here is the dark one, but as you can see, the pages look the same. So what you want to do is to sign in. Alright, let's sign in to Audible, and now what you want to do is to enter your email password. So I'm going to log in just to my account. So you just need to type your email address and your password and then click sign in. So once you have done that, as you can see, the page is going to look the same as on the Amazon.com from USA. Then what you want to do is to point on your let's just close it for now. Point on your name, and then you want to do go to account details. So let's go to account details, and now as you can see, you're going to see your membership. If you're not viewing this specific page, you want to do view membership details. I'm in a free trial right now, but if you are in a normal subscription, your free trial has ended and you're paying now for Audible, the steps are going to be the same. So now as you can see, you have this option to click cancel membership, and I didn't say that in the start of this video, but you can't cancel your membership through the application, and I don't think so that you can do it through the web page on your phone. So you need to use a PC or a MacBook or something, laptop. So after clicking cancel membership, you want to go down. You want to go down because they are going to try to make you not canceling. So go down and click continue cancelling. Then you can just let them know why you are cancelling the membership. You don't have to do it, but after all, click continue cancelling again. And now, again, you need to go down a little bit and click cancel anyway. So these are 3 steps. I think 4 that you need to click cancel, and voila, as you can see, your membership will be cancelled at the end of your current billing period. So this is it. This is how you can cancel your membership in Audible. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!